Welcome to our latest tutorial. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to attach an editable form to your course. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. The first thing that you should do is to create a course or edit already created one. Go to the step 2, videos and files. I have created my section, so I will go and add an episode. Click to the title of the section and then click create new episode, choose form, add your title. Here you are selecting the form. You can choose from the list or you can create a form right at the moment. If you haven't created a form, click create form. It will redirect you to form creation page and then go back. Click the refresh icon and your created form will be added to the list. Now you should activate the editable form toggle. Click save. Go next and let's check the results. Your users will see form so. They can answer to the form questions. They can submit their answer. Upon opening the form, users will see their pre-filled information including data from the last submission. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to attach editable forms to your courses. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, please leave a comment below. For more tutorials and updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Until next time, happy learning!